I took the rejection on IWM. Sorry guys, I couldn't call it out because I was trying to figure out what's going on with YouTube. But yeah, I'm playing the IWM rejection. I took it with 5 micros, very small position to be honest. But because I'm having trouble lately in the trading in the mornings, like I don't feel like the market's been clean in the mornings, or at least I haven't read the market right in the morning, so I'm looking to take trades with smaller position this week. So yeah, I'm with 5 micros playing the IWM 255 rejections. So IWM is definitely weaker than the rest of the market today. And if we see a bigger pullback on ES and NQ, I think IWM is gonna just melt. Beautiful reaction play. I'm gonna start taking some profits here. Nice, yeah. Really nice reaction. IWM was very clean. For IWM, I'm looking for a pullback around 253.50, maybe a little bit higher. I still want to see ES going a little bit lower and hitting my support level. If IWM makes a new higher high, I'm getting out of my position. I'm selling my runners. Yeah, I'm out. Okay, pretty nice. Really nice trade. I definitely wanted to see a little bit more downside. I still think that ES should tap this level here, the 75, 77. And I also think IWM should go lower to 253.50 at least, or 0.60. But it's having a lot of trouble because of NQ strength. So yeah, we have ES being weak, NQ holding very good. In fact, it looks like it wants to break out here. It's clearly making a flag, holding support and the view up. I'm happy with my performance today. Yeah, really happy.